Hello.
Hello,
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. So, Neetu ma'am, are you enjoying your sessions?
Yes, yes, I
Do you think
enjoy.
you're learning something of value?
Yes, I learn.
Good.
At least I am able to speak to someone.
Yeah, you're getting good practice, right?
Yes,
Awesome. So, today we're going to talk about advertisements. Okay.
okay, okay.
So, before we start, when I say the word advertisement, what comes to your mind?
Advertisement means to present anything in an exaggerated manner before uh, before public. Uh, as when any company or any company wanted to advertise their product, means to say that they wanted to uh, present in a very they are only uh, sorry,
It's okay. Don't say
means to
sorry. It's
say
fine. Okay. So, for a second there, I thought you were giving me the proper Google definition because that was perfect for advertisement. Okay. But you are right. It is exaggerated to enhance the features of a product or a service. You know, good. So, do you know, like, do you remember any ads? What is the most famous ad that you remember? Or any ad that you remember?
yes, I remember parachute ad. Parachute, yes, I
The
like
hair
that.
oil.
Yes, hair ad.
Yeah. Which one? Can you explain the ad to me?
Yes, in which the mother tells to her daughter, and
Daughter. Yeah.
yes, be strong and learn how to say no. Whatever I have not done in my life, you have to do in your life, and that's why I like that very much.
Nice. So there was a emotional moment you had with that ad because it
Yes,
connected you with your kids and made you realize what they're trying to say, right?
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah. So they did a really good job in that ad trying to pass on this message, that
yes,
parents are caring about their kids and they want their kids to do things that they never had the power or the ability to do.
yes,
That's a
yes.
very good message that they're sending. Good.
Yes.
You were saying something?
Yes, even parents are able to do, but with situations are not according to them, and that's why they are not perform as well. So that they wanted to their kids that they should do. They want to their kids that they should do what they are not able to do. So and make them more energetic and enthusiastic and put all the values and the moralities in them so that they perform well their duties and responsibilities.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. I'm very glad you got that topic up. Okay. Neetu, I'm noticing some mistakes that you're making when you use the letter W. Okay, W H. Okay. So can you say the word wanted?
Wanted.
Yeah, you're saying want. You said that correctly now. Okay, but earlier you said wanted. I think
Wanted, yes. Sometime I mix it.
same thing you did with what. It's not
What?
what. It's what. Right? It's
Uh,
like W O
it
T.
happened to me when I concentrate on the topic and on the ideas what I wanted to say, then I mistake I pronunciations. I mistakes in pronunciation.
Subconsciously you go back to your original
Yes,
pronunciation of the word. I
yes,
understand. Okay.
yes. Even
So to fix that, what you can do is you can Google some W words. Okay. What, wanted. There are lots of words. You can just Google them. Okay. Write 10 of them, whichever you want, and Google their correct pronunciation. If see, you already have the knowledge. I know that,
yes,
right? So you know how to say wanted. You know how to say what, but your brain is not ready. Your brain is not practiced for it. Okay.
yes, yes.
So for the practice part, you just have to repeat what you want to say. not what you have to say. Okay. So the write down what, write down wanted. Okay. Now,
Yes.
when you repeat these out loud, okay, make sure you say that 5, 6 times. What, 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 what I wanted, what I wanted. Okay. So when you do that, your brain starts thinking to itself, okay, I'm supposed to say it like this. I'm supposed to say it like this. Okay. It's like a correction. In school, when we used to say something incorrectly, they used to make us write it 100 times.
Yes. Yes.
Now you said it incorrectly, so now you write it 100 times in a correct manner.
Yes.
Same
Yes.
logic we have to use, but don't have to say it 100 times. Okay.
I do this to my kids also. When they write down anything wrong, I I tell them to write down in 5 times and 4 times, and I learn it, repeat it
Yeah.
for 10 times. Yes.
So it's a very
So
basic exercise, but we are going to put this exercise here. Okay. Again, this is not a punishment. It is something to improve.
I know
So
well. It is
don't go with a negative mindset.
no, no, no. It's for me. I am
Yes, yes.
benefited by it. Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Um, right. We'll continue about advertisements. Okay. So which is the funniest ad you ever seen?
Funniest. Uh, the Coca-Cola ad. When the Salman Khan do anything for the Coca-Cola, and this ad is not as much Coke Danda matlab Coca-Cola. If anybody, I can suppose that anybody to do anything for the Coca-Cola, and this ad is not as much, used to say, not attract me very much, and I look like, yes, and
It didn't connect with you.
yes, I didn't connect with it.
Yeah.
The
So
name,
sometimes the ad companies make ads that don't make sense just so you remember.
yes,
And now it worked
yes,
because the ad didn't make sense, and now you said their brand's name 3 times. Okay. So that is what they do. They do funny things just so people talk about it. Hey, did you see that ad? It's so weird.
yes, yes,
It's
yes.
advertisement because someone talks about their product.
Yeah, they wanted to only put the product in the mind of the people,
Exactly.
that when they go to the market and they look that product and can't remember, but when they want to buy something, purchase something, then the product come to their mind, and they're able to
Subconsciously. The word you're
support.
looking for is subconsciously. Yeah. Subconsciously, you remember that brand name. And when you see it again, you think, oh, I did feel like having that. Because in your brain, you have that ad, okay? You have that brand's name, and then you look at it, and then you think, oh, this is a sign. Maybe I should buy this product. You know, that's how smart they are. That's how they make us buy their product. Okay. One correction. I think Salman Khan is a thumbs up, not Coca Cola.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Actually, I can't remember.
It's definitely thumbs up because I remember him
Yes,
doing
yes.
this.
Now I remember. Yes.
I remember him
Mhm.
showing his thumb.
But the action that he is doing, he was doing in that ad, then the action and the whole the process I remember.
Nice. So you corrected yourself in this sentence. Earlier you said Salman Khan in a Coca-Cola ad, Salman Khan do anything. Now you said doing, which is correct. Okay. So when he is doing something in the ad, or when he is performing an action sequence or an
One
action
thing,
scene,
yes, yes. One thing I want to ask you, that when I should use past, simple past, and when I should use past perfect, and many and past present simple, sorry, present perfect also. In these
see,
tenses,
see,
I
see,
was getting.
don't confuse yourself. It's past, present, future. Okay.
Yes,
Now in past, present, future, there are subcategories called
yes,
past continuous, present continuous, and future continuous. When it comes to talking, you don't have to remember all these things. Please forget it, you're just confusing yourself. Okay. Right now, you only need to focus on past, present continuous, and present, and future. The only four things you need to remember. Okay. So if it's in the past, then just continue talking like that.
yes. Only when I have to talk about something had done in past. which tense I have to use? I should speak in past indefinite or past perfect, or
See, the thing is, yeah, finish what you're saying.
in present perfect, which I have done earlier. So which one I have to use?
Okay, in this example, let's take Salman Khan's thumbs up ad. Okay, now if you are quoting someone, okay, quoting is when you're repeating
Yes,
what the other person has said.
yes,
When you're quoting someone, you have to repeat it as they said it. Okay,
yes.
he
Indirect
said,
speech. Yes.
yeah, indirect speech. He said he will do it. He said, I am going to do it. Okay. Now, when it comes to this ad, okay, we use the past tense. I remember this ad because of all the action sequences that Salman Khan used to do. Okay. But you can also use it in present tense in a way, present continuous, in a way that you are still seeing these ads. Okay. Are you still seeing these ads?
Yes, yes, usually. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Because Salman Khan is not working for Thumbs Up anymore. I think Ranveer Kapoor is with Thumbs Up now. I'm not sure, but it's fine.
I'm
It's
not
fine.
very much aware about the ads because
Yeah.
when the ads come on the TV, everyone want to change the channel.
Okay. So we'll do another example. Let's assume that we are still watching these Salman Khan ads. Salman Khan ads, yeah. Okay. We will say it's funny to me when Salman Khan does these stunts in these ads. Okay. Because that is something you are still watching. He did it maybe 10 years ago. He's not doing it now, but you're watching it now, right? So
Yes.
you will react to that when for you in front of you he does the stunt. So you're like, it's funny to me when he does these ads. Okay,
Yes.
does that make your question like is that clear?
Yes. 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 When the thing is connected to when the impact is on the present also,
Yes.
so we should use present perfect, and we can, and if it was finished in past, then we have to use past tense.
Yeah, past tense. Exactly. Perfect. So, should I move on to the next question?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. What do you think is your I know you connected emotionally with the parachute ad. Okay. And on the opposite side, you did not connect at all with the thumbs up ad because it didn't make sense to you, right?
Yes.
If you had a product, if you had any product, okay, how would you want to advertise it?
Okay. Which which product?
That you have to decide. Tell me what product would you want to sell. Do you want to sell sweaters?
Yes.
Do you want to sell coconut oil? You can sell glasses. You're wearing glasses right now.
Yes. If I have to sell sweater, if I, yes, so advertise sweaters, then I will use some, what to say. I will connect it to, yeah. Definitely, everyone is when can connect with the sweater. Sweater means cloth, because it is very necessary, and I will use sometime something like any grandmother knitting a sweater, and I will for their grandsons and granddaughter. By this way, I will, and if this will, I will I will use that wool in that particular scene when the grandmother is knitting the sweater and for their kids, and that is the I that will connect to that is make a bond between the grandmother and the granddaughter or grandson, and and this bonding can present that warmth and the inspiration and the love for the kids, and by this way people can connect that product, and by this way I
They
will
can connect to that product.
go to that product, and by this way, and something or something I can add or something also, something like that, grandson loves and thank to their grandparents for this, and by this way I can connect.
He thanks them for
Thanks
their
them
gift.
their gift and their love. Yes, and I can present it that earlier we are using, our grandparents are using this product, and so that we also use this because this is the good product. And
It is associated with love.
yes,
Nice, nice, good. So when you do this ad, okay, let's say in the future you run this ad, only remember that you're only targeting the grandparents and you're not targeting the parents and you're not targeting the kids. So they will not buy your product. Okay, only grandparents will emotionally connect with it. Let's say parachute oil. Okay, now parachute oil ad. Can you hear me?
yes, yes. Now I can hear.
Okay. So the parachute oil works very well because they are targeting the right audience. They know that you are an emotional person as a mother, okay, especially about your kids, right? So they made that ad and it connects on so many levels for them, okay, is because not only are they targeting you emotionally, they're creating a bond with you, okay. Secondly, they know you are the person who buys the groceries of the house,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So they are not only connecting to you, like they can connect to the father also, but then the
yes,
father will tell you, please get that oil, and then you say, no, I don't want to get that oil, right? So they're going directly to the source. You are the
yes,
person who buys the oil of the house, right? So
yes,
they're going
yes,
directly to you. You have an emotional connection. That means you are going to buy their product. Okay. Also, when you have that moment with your kid of putting oil in the hair, that kid for the next 30, 40 years will think, oh, I missed the time when my mother used to put parachute oil in my head, right?
yes, yes, yes,
And then they will buy it and then they will connect with their kids on that. So it's a very big process that they're going through. And in
yes,
30 seconds, in 30 or 40 seconds, they try to build this legacy. You know what legacy is, right? Like a
yes,
legend. Yeah. They are trying to build this legacy, and that is why that ad is so brilliant. In 30 seconds, they are investing 30 years in the future. Can you imagine?
yes,
So,
yes,
but when
yes.
we see
We
these
should.
ads, we don't, yeah, when we
Yes,
see these
yes,
ads, we don't think about it so much. But now that you think about it, see how awesome that ad actually is, right?
yes, yes. Means to say that when we are advertising something, we have to target the particular that
Yes.
youth or must, yes, we should target the person or the category of the people who are going to
No,
buy.
it's not that. You have to target who you have to connect with. Now, let's say a company that sells computers will target the kids and the teenagers who have the money. Okay, people who are getting new jobs. They will not target parents. Parents, your generation or my generation also won't be like, I need this electronic device because we live in the current world where it's a it's a luxury for us. It's not a necessity for us. But the next generation thinks it's a necessity.
Necessary for it. Yes,
Yeah, for a job, for the living, right? For studying also nowadays, computers are compulsory. You need to have one, right?
yes,
So
yes,
their target audience will be different. So don't think that they have to target that person. You have to find what your target is. It can be different for everyone, you know.